Adding a number on WhatsApp is an easy process and it can be done in just a few simple steps. To begin, make sure that the person you want to add has WhatsApp installed on their phone. First, open your phone's contact app and create a new contact for the person. Enter their phone number, include the correct country code, and make sure that the number is correctly formatted, and this is essential for WhatsApp to recognize it. All right? Once the new contact is saved, open WhatsApp. You're going to see your contact list automatically synced with the contacts stored in your phone. If the contact has WhatsApp, their name will appear in your list. If they don't show up right away, try refreshing your contact list by swiping down on the screen or closing and reopening WhatsApp. To send a message, tap on the contact's name, which will open the chat window. You can now start texting, sending media, or making voice or video calls. All right? Now, alternatively, you can manually enter the phone number in WhatsApp's search bar by tapping the chat icon and selecting New Chat. Enter the number, and if it's on WhatsApp, you'll be able to start a conversation right away. This method is helpful when the person hasn't been added to your contact list yet. All right?